harvesting seed heads from plants in the carrot family that include dill, coriander, parsley, cilantro. These are some things that we want to think about. So we don't want to harvest the seed heads too early. This one here, you can see how green these seed heads are. That means they've just begun to develop. Then they come into like almost a yellow stage where they are really, you can see the seed heads are really starting to develop and fatten up. And then once they turn this more brown color, and you can actually see some small stripes on those individual seeds, that is the ideal time for harvest. So when we go to harvest these, obviously, scissors or a knife, a good sharp knife, you could bundle these into bundles and hang them to dry. If you do that indoors, I'd make sure you had a pan or something underneath it to catch these as they begin to dry, because they'll release themselves. I also have some friends who will take little mesh sashes and attach them over the tops of the seed head while they're still attached to the plant, and let them fully dry while attached to the plant. And then at that point they'll come out and cut them, and then you take them inside, give them a good shake, and your sachet has all the seeds in it.
Thanks for watching. We have other quick tips. Just subscribe below.